In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward voice messages that you have received on Instagram. Make sure to watch until the very end of the video to find out why. For tutorial purposes, I have made some separate accounts so that you can see how to actually perform this forwarding. All you have to do is go to the direct message that you actually want to forward. As you can see, I've received this voice message and I'm going to accept it. You're next going to actually hold and click it. As you can see, there are no options for me to do. Now, all you have to do is scroll down onto your iPhone screen, just like so, and you're going to click this red button. What that's going to do is going to record everything you are doing on your screen with audio. Once you do that, all you have to do once you're done is to click that red button again, and it will save to your photos, and from there you can forward it to anyone you would like. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.